Hi, this is Nathan with American West Realty and Management. In this video, you're going to see how you get paid, how to read your owner's statement, and how to use your online portal to find everything you need, including invoices and tax documents. So let's start with the most common question, which is, when are you going to get paid? We collect rent money during the month it's due, and then your owner draw is paid the final business day of that month or the first business day of the following month. So for an example, your rent received in October will be paid out to you on the last business day of October or the first business day of November. That gap gives time for payments to clear, bills to be paid, and accurate accounting to be done before we send you your net funds. So think of it as a simple cycle. We collect, we reconcile, then disperse so that what you receive is clean and correct. Each month, you'll receive a detailed income and expense statement on your portal. At a glance, you're going to see an income section, which will show rent collected for the period, any additional income that belongs to you, like maybe laundry income or certain tenant charges that are passed through. And then you're going to see an expense section. That will include our management fees and any bills paid on your behalf. At the end of the statement, you'll see the amount actually sent to you as your net to owner or owner draw for that period. Now you may wonder why your owner draw is a little bit higher or lower. The statement is where you'll find the answers. It's usually due to a repair, a fee, a vacancy, or even a credit. For example, you may see an increase to your income because we collected an early termination fee or an additional fee from the tenant. Now we don't expect you to trust the line item without a backup. So when we pay bills on your behalf, we scan and upload a copy of that invoice to your portal. You can open the statement, see a maintenance line like plumbing repair, and then click through to view the actual invoice showing exactly what was done and what it cost. These documents give you transparency and a paper trail if you ever need to justify an expense to a lender, an insurer, or your tax preparer. And all of this lives in your online account. No digging through old emails or paper file cabinets. Your owner portal is your control center. It's where you'll see money, documents, and communication history. Inside your portal, you can view and download your statements, access current and past monthly statements, download them as PDFs for your own records, review invoices and documents, see scanned copies of vendor invoices and other bills, check your balance and recent activity, see your recent income and expenses, confirm that your owner draw has been processed, send and receive messages to our staff, ask questions about a specific charge, and even view maintenance history on your property or properties. All this information stays on your portal indefinitely, so you always have access to your history when you need it. Each January, we make tax time straightforward by providing you with two documents. One is the IRS Form 1099 that shows the total rent income we collected on your behalf for the previous year. You'll also receive a year-end summary statement, which rolls all your income and expenses for the entire year across your property or portfolio. This makes it real easy for your CPA to help prepare your taxes. Most owners simply hand these two documents to their tax preparer or plug the numbers into their tax software, and they're set for the rental portion of their return. So to recap, rent collected in one month is paid to you at the end of that month or the first day of the following month. Your monthly statements show income, expenses, your net owner draw, and will include links to invoices attached for transparency. Your owner portal is available 24/7 to access statements, invoices, communicate with our team, and year-end tax documents. Now in the next video, we're going to talk about some basics of legal compliance as a landlord.